So let's review some coffee. Review some coffee. Can we? So we're at the pre-organic coffee.
Yeah, Camano Island Coffee Roasters.
Camano Island Coffee Roasters,
Yeah.
local to the Northwest, obviously. And so we've got some coffee. What should we try out?
We've got a medium roast or a dark roast.
Why don't we just do medium?
Okay, that's our
You know?
Papua New Guinea medium. All organic, shade-grown coffee.
So-
yeah.
It smells, of course, wonderful, as coffee should. If you miss that part, you're already losing. So
It should taste just as good as it smells.
yeah, for a medium, it's very full. I'd have to say I definitely like that. So what makes you guys different?
We ship coffee directly to you. So instead of selling on grocery stores or anywhere it's going to sit, within 48 hours of it being roasted, we mail it to you.
Wow, within 48 hours. So if you've ever been to the supermarket, you know what 2 months to 2 years tastes like. Not great, not great. So I like it. I'm gonna have to say, without having all my crazy nonsense in it, I'm still gonna give it 4.5 stars. So there we go. Camano Island Roasters, good stuff, and organic. USDA organic. There you go.